all right. What is up? I hope you are doing well and having a good time. As you may know, the winter is coming and making videos is getting a little bit difficult, and it's a little bit difficult to afford and go and do my own food reviews. So instead that now I have a better place that I can make some videos, I will teach you the things that I have learned all these years from Greek cuisine, or maybe in the future I will share a few recipes from my own culture, which is Eastern and from Afghanistan. I hope you are gonna be having a good time and also learning something that you can easily prepare and just on the go you can eat it. This recipe, like dakos, is much famous among Cretan people, and it's very simple, it's very easy to make, and it is very healthy if you pay attention to the ingredients and if you get them from good sources. Yeah. So let's get started. It doesn't take more than 2 or 3 minutes to prepare this recipe, but to prepare this recipe we are gonna need dry bread or paximadia. We are gonna need tomatoes or tomates, in Greek tomates, in English tomatoes. We are gonna need olive oil or eliolado. We are gonna need feta or feta cheese. We are gonna need fermented olives, elies, olives in English, elies in Greek, and we are gonna need oregano, it's very difficult for me to say this one, oregano or regani in Greek. Yeah, that's all what we need to prepare this recipe, and it's not gonna take more than 3, maximum 4 minutes to prepare this. It's a very healthy and it's a very fast preparing snack/salad that you can prepare at home. I'm gonna start with the tomato. Wow, this is a beautiful tomato. Look at this. It is so beautiful. So look, now we have like a clean tomato. You can use this method to cut your tomatoes for other recipes without having the seeds. And we will do the same to the other tomato. So now we have this tomato that we can just mix it like this, and you see the water is dripping. Oh, it's getting juicy, huh? Actually, we can use this piece of tomato too, kinda. Now we have some tomato water. I guess this much water is not enough to soak the bread, and that's what happens all the time in the restaurants. Not in every restaurant. Well, there are restaurants that they have they prepare their food in really good shape and quality, and when you eat them, I'm like, oh boy, it's so tasty. Yeah, and it is gonna be tasty. I wish you were here to taste it after I prepare it. Yeah. I can, well, I have seen people putting the tomato inside the like mixer and like kinda making like a smoothie thing out of it and then adding it, so also it is watery. But I don't think it's necessary because this water plus the tomato will do. So we already kinda take our paximadi, put it here. Yeah, put it here, nice. We're gonna turn the other side. We soak it. And we will do the same to the other one. We will put it here. We are not done with the Paksimadi yet, okay, because there are the ones that they have less barley and less fiber. They are very easy to get soaked and to get water in, and there are the ones that they are like the highest quality, the high-end Paximadia. They are gonna need some time to really soak in the water. Okay, so now we are gonna cut this tomato. The point is to cut the tomatoes in smallest pieces possible. Okay, this tomato seems to me like it has like these white, if you see these white areas, and that causing it like not to be kind of lay on the top of this Paksimadi softly. So this is like I just for the sake of keeping it financially in range, I bought like cheap tomato, but there are good tomatoes that they are organic, but the moment that you put the knife on them, they just slice through and they don't have these hard parts. Yeah, so what we are gonna do, we are gonna cut our tomato even to smaller pieces. We are gonna put some water in our Paksimadi, first from the tomato water, okay? I'm not so sure that this water will be enough or not, but it seems like it's gonna be enough. So let's add some olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. Holy moly, boy. This is like medicine. It's like when you wake up. Once I was in Knossos and there was this tour guy who was touring us around, and he said he was talking about the Minoan civilization and culture, and then he added something about the olive. He was talking about many things, but he said at the end, like if you would like 1 spoon olive oil, excuse me excuse me again, and he was saying if you would drink olive oil early in the morning, just raw 1 spoon, it's gonna be so good for your health, for your brain, for your stomach, for your digestive system, for your gut bacteria and everything. Yeah. Okay, so we have added the olive oil and the tomato water. We are gonna let it here just wait so it gets a little bit soft, and now we are gonna cut some olives and we are gonna take the seed out. Okay, now it is time for our feta. Okay, what we are gonna do is the feta cannot, well, there are many ways. This recipe doesn't have to be all in, I don't know, luxurious. This is very, very traditional, and the point is it is very easy to make. Okay, I'm doing this just for the purpose of video and to make it look a little bit nicer, the delivery, but these things could be just like you take the olive like this and you just peel the olive. Yeah, you just peel it with your hand and you put it here. That's what it is. And you taste the seed, so there is some extra, you should eat it instead of wasting it. Okay, That's the point. And with the feta, now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna cut it like this. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do that. But in reality, the feta. Oh, I kissed the knife again. In reality, in a, like how it's been done, like traditionally, it is like you take the plate, put it here, you just do this. That's what it is. There is nothing fancy about it. Yeah. This is the type of food that if like a shepherd is out and about and he is working and what he has is some olives, tomato, and this paksimadi or rusk, yeah, and some feta he has. So and some olive oil. These are the things that you can keep it for if you have it with you for at least a week or more. And then when he needs to eat, he's not gonna pay attention to all of like these edges and that and this and that. And I guess we have went a little bit too far by the when it comes to cooking. It should be straightforward and it should be easy and it should be healthy. And we have been like designing and decorating. I'm not that I'm against art, but I also like the how it's traditionally done is like this. Look, baby, it's done like this. Yeah. So this is our feta. I like a little bit extra feta because it is fatty and it keeps you filled for longer period. This is the traditional and this is the villager way of preparing this thing. With your hand. Get your hand into these things, yeah. Yeah, our feta is ready. Okay, so now what we are gonna do, we are gonna bring our bread here and we are gonna bring our tomato. Just to be safe, I will add some salt, okay? Yeah, a little, just a pinch. Okay, we are gonna add our tomato first because the tomato can have some more water, so it is making the bread a little bit more wet in case if it's left a little bit dry. Alright, our dakos is ready and I hope you had a good time, and let me know what you think about it. And if you want to know about recipes like this more, I will be more than happy to make them. And let's give it a try. Po. And it doesn't need any salt. It is salty enough. Yeah. Okay. Until the next time, peace.